First, you want to take a screwdriver and pry out the handlebar grip. Exert your strength to pull out the grip. Loosen the throttle screw with a hex. And the screw under the brake lever. Take off the winding tube. And you unplug these two connectors. Take off the winding tubes over here. Cut off these 3 cable ties below. And please carefully follow the video and use a hex to release the disc brake. And cut the cable here. And pull out the cable. Remove the brake lever and the throttle. And then you install the brake lever and the throttle. Adjust the angle here. And then use a hex to tighten up the screws. And don't forget the throttle screw. And you put a little bit of water in the grip to make it easier to knock in. Use a rubber mallet to find the right angle and knock it in. And the stopper here as well. And you plug in the throttle's connector and the red one. And then we install the hydraulic brake here. Tighten up the screws a little bit. Pass the hydraulic brake cable through here. And then you pull out all the cables a bit here. and tuck the hydraulic brake cable in here. And get the hydraulic brake cable out of here. And you need to pull the hydraulic brake cable out and through here. And make sure you put on the rubber sleeve first. And then the screw. And the copper sheathing. Take a hex to remove the screw in the cable. And remove the screw in the brake lever as well. Hold the brake cable with your right hand and align it with the hole of the brake lever and insert it. Insert the hydraulic brake cable first, then use an M8 wrench to fasten the screw. Then pull the rubber sleeve in. Squeeze the brake lever with your left hand and alternatively tighten the two screws at the rear with your right hand. And don't forget to tie the cables. Then pull the cables back to its original place.